you can
Yeah.
continue now. You can carry on switching on RevEng and connecting to the equipment there, Wesley.
Okay.
I've been having an interesting discussion here about backdriving, operational limits. Is the current what's the current level, etc. So just so everyone is absolutely clear, our system follows a military standard, a UK military standard called 0053, and that military standard basically tell us what are the limits with regards to current, time, and voltage. So the system will always utilize the lowest current, the lowest voltage for the shortest time to create the least, create minimum heat. Okay, the least temperature increase, for instance, on the semiconductor joints, etc. So this test, obviously, the system is absolutely safe. It is a platform that's ABI. The BoardMaster platform has been evolving for the last 20 years or so. There's a lot of research and development that goes into the into making the product what it is now, and making a truly universal test system. It's used by companies all over the world, by aerospace organizations, so rail, so life critical systems, including the biomedical sector. So the system needs to be absolutely safe to operate and also safe for the electronics. Okay, so I just wanted to make that clear. Are you ready there, Wesley?